Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are gonna explore sea caves in Ayia Napa. So from our hotel we are gonna take bus directly to that place. So without any further delay, let's begin today's video. So I just got down here from the bus and that was the bus stop, and from here we need to go that side and it's almost 500 to 600 meters I need to walk. So make sure whenever you are coming you will have everything with you, like water, sunscreen, everything, because there is nothing. So yes, we're gonna walk towards this, and it was quite easy from our hotel. It took around 20 minutes to reach. If you are staying in proper Ayia Napa, from there it's gonna take 5 to 7 minutes in bus to reach this place, and from here we're gonna walk. So right now I'm at Ayia Napa, the main city. We just came back from the sea cave. It was a beautiful experience, although it was too hot. So it was little bit, I can say, little bit struggle while you were with the kid. While we were coming back, it was little tough, but not too tough. So if you are interested to experience that, you should definitely go there. But with small kids it can be a little bit scary, so you need to be careful while you are trying to go into that cave. And now we are in the city, in the main city, Ayia Napa, and yes, this is, I guess, a park here. So we are back and we have reached at our hotel, and I would say the whole experience was pretty good. We spent almost 1 hour at Sea Caves, and after that we came back and we spent approx 2 hours at Ayia Napa main city. So whole journey was like 4 hours. We spent whole 4 hours. At 4 p.m. we left from hotel, and right now it's 8 p.m. and we are back at our hotel. So it was pretty good. And if you want to enjoy more the night vibe, I would highly recommend you to spend more time at Ayia Napa City. So, thank you so much, guys. That's all for today. Bye bye.